combine our resources and hold seminars like this for free. Iwa manamon sa naging sukot sa lugar, o manamon sa naging sukot sa tanan, except sa inyong pinapa. Iwa matagitag ko. Okay? So, before I end, I would like also to acknowledge ni Che Tobias, yung kanilang liaison officer. She kept on reminding me about this activity. So again, welcome po and stay tuned. Pa-advance lang ha. May bago kami niya na Carabao milk. Binali ka to sa yung yellow color. If you want to go home and you want to taste ano ang gatas ng Carabao, these were processed by local farmers. Okay? Ginagatas ng anwang, pag may yemas, may white cheese, inak sa iyong baligya. So, agi man ka mo, kung mabuhi man na ito, ganahan man nga magpundot-pindot atong mga farmers. No? Saan ka man ka na-process? And by next month, we will also finally launch. Kung hindi man next month, mga 2 months, pagit. So, amo na worth 100 billion na grant from Pointa, from Korean partner man. So, there is a lot of things coming inside the Aklan Agri Aqua Dairy Farm. And this is all made possible. And these are all made possible because Joel is very supportive. Supportive, sa kinumpisahan ni tatay niya. But then, kung bukod na tigyo, kung makapakialam sa politika, don't worry. You will always be welcome. Amen? Amen? Amen. So once again, good morning and God bless.
So, thank you, Sophia. So now, we will go to our seminar. But first, may I introduce to you first our source person committee. Okay. So, he was the Green Wonder Director and head of our of the Green Wonder Biotech Research and Development OLED. He finished his early education and taking a Bachelor of Science in the Department of Veterinary Medicine at National Chung Ching University, and then graduated his masteral taking up Institute of Veterinary Medicine at the same school, and then he also finished up his PhD graduated as in Institute of Microbiology and Public Health at the same university, the National Chung Ching University. He gained his experiences as the professor at Department of Veterinary Medicine at the National Chung Ching University. He was also the adjunct professor, post-baccalaureate program in veterinary medicine at the Asia University. He was also the visiting professor at Jingmei University, Xiamen, China. And he also experienced as attending veterinarian at the Veterinary Teaching Hospital at the National Chung Ching University. He was also a director of the Clinical Microbiology Laboratory, Veterinary Teaching Hospital. And then he was also a director at the Bacteriology Laboratory, College of Veterinary Medicine at the NCHU. He was also a member of the Patent Licensing Review Committee at the same school, NCHU. He also became a principal investigator at Taiwan Research Site International Collaboration Team, Research Center for Zoonosis Control, Hokkaido University. He was also a director at the 19th Board Taichung Veterinary Medical Association. He was also a member at the Industry Service Management Committee, National Animal Industry Foundation. He was also a CEO of the International Business Division, People's Technology Co. Ltd. He was also became an instructor, educational training at Glass Nutrition here in the Philippines. And he was also a senior consultant, ISCO Pet Food Group. And then he was a member or staff at the Green One Corporation. So everyone, let's welcome Mr. Shu Shin Lee, Professor Lee.
Pwede yan maglipat kung hindi masyadong makita. Okay, yung question natin later is after the lecture.
First, we're going to talk about the aquaculture incident for Saheli. The application of the and by law, the treasury and the fish body, the other, all of that will come.